Gwaps, this is Maribisak and welcome to my channel. So, sa video na to guys, we're just going to talk about my DIY. So, I call this one like a segment on my channel. Talaga, segment talaga, ano. It's a DIY ReStyle Project. That's it! Ayun. Yan, itatopic ko lang naman yan. I'll show you some of my DIYs na hindi siya na-upload dito or hindi ko siya napakita dito sa YouTube channel ko. Ito yung papakita ko sa inyo yung mga nauna ko nang nagawa. Konti lang yun guys kasi dati naman hindi ako mahilig talaga mag-take ng pictures ng mga nagawa ko. So matagal na talaga kasi yun. Parang lately na lang ako nag-decide, last year ata nag-decide na magbo-vlog because one of my friends is also a vlogger. Same kaming dalawa, mahilig din siya mag-DIY. She's very creative and productive. I will put her channel down below so that you check her channel. She's also doing DIYs lahat-lahat guys. Pinipicture niya sa channel niya. Her name is Islay. Hope you can please do visit her channel and check her out. So yun, she's the one who pushed me to do vlogging and I thought of it many times because last year sub-sub ako sa trabaho, talagang gabi na minsan nakaka-uwi so wala talaga akong time. So every weekend din ina-assure ko na I'll spend time with my family. Ganun ako. So parang lately na lang talaga. Pero nag-umpisa ako last year for doing vlogging. And at least kahit papano nasisingit ko talaga. And this past few days talagang naging busy na naman ako. So, kailangan ko kasing i-prioritize yung mga bagay na yun. Though, I'm loving this one kahit na kahit na ikaw lahat, editing, lahat-lahat. So, yun. But you're going to get used to it and I'm loving it. As long as you love what you're doing, it's fine. Okay lang yun, di ba? Ano naman pinagsasabi ko? Without further ado, I'll show you some of my DIYs na nagawa ko na. So, lately ko lang talaga siya shinare sa mga kaibigan ko sa Facebook ko. Lately ko lang talaga siya naisipan na i-share. Pero I'm doing this a long time already. So, let's proceed and check it out. Okay mga gwaps, you are here on my Facebook page. So, ito yung sinishare ko sa mga kaibigan ko na you can do something. Just telling them or sharing it to them that you can do something about your old clothes. So I named this page or I named this album DIY ReStyle Project. Ayan, so let's proceed. Okay, so first thing first. Okay, first thing first is ito workout top ko. Tinatawag siyang workout top. Kasi guys, nag-exercise. I do my exercise inside the house. I don't usually go out, go to the gym. Just mag-spend ka lang ng money dun and you can do it inside your house. So nakita ko lang siya. I just saw this one in the market for only 20 pesos. I love the details. I love the design, yung print. So naisipan kong gawin siyang pang workout top ko. Ayun, hindi ba hindi naman if you're going to buy workout top sa mall, it's very expensive. I know they're in good quality, but if you can help yourself to buy less price for that, why not? Or okay, next is itong bodysuit na DIY na ginawa ko. Is a blouse. Stretchy yung blouse, guys. Kasi sa swimwear, most of the swimwear kasi na nakikita natin, it should be stretchy. But it depends naman. So this one is quite stretchy at nag-fit talaga sa body ko. So the second, I have two designs for this one. The style is halter top at yung likod naman niya is yung cut up back. Nagustuhan ko naman siya guys. And yung pangalawang is off shoulder top. Ayun, so ako yung tipong tao na I don't usually buy pang one-time use lang yung swimwear. Ang ginagawa ko is I make my own swimwear sa mga dati kong damit. Ayun, di ba? Hindi pa ako gumastos. Hindi pa talaga ako gumastos. At nagagawa ko yung sarili kong design talaga at na-adjust ko pa. Kasi if you're going to buy outside, you're not really sure if that's gonna fit for you. Diba? pag nag-order ka online, you're not really sure kung yun talaga yung size mo. It's better to make your own swimwear out of your old clothes. Ayun. Next is etong blouse. Old blouse ko, hindi ko na talaga siya ginagamit. Yun, naisipan ko siyang gawin na two-piece. As nakikita nyo, yung likod ng backless talaga, dapat it should be the same. Yung elastic band niya, dapat makapal. Kaya lang, nagkulang ako. And, nakakatawa pa dito guys, mga guwap, is that on that day talaga na nandun kami sa resort, on that day talaga ginawa ko tong swimwear na to kasi wala talaga akong balak bumili and ayun, kaya ko naman siyang gawin din so nagawa ko. And yes, that's it. And one thing that I love to collect mga guwaps is that shawl. Gusto ko, nagko-collect ako ng shawl kasi pwede mo siya gamitin sa lahat ng bagay. Pwede ko din siyang gamitin like this. So, I made it into 4 style. 1 Andes, but 4 style ng shawl. Yun, pwede mo din siya pang cover up pag pumupunta kayo sa beach, di ba? Ayun, yung Andes naman is highway. So, nag-match naman siya doon sa binili kong Andes. Ayun, nagustuhan ko naman yung outcome. Not bad. 'Di ba? Yung una, pwede mong gamitin on your first days. Yung pangalawa, second day, third day, fourth day. It depends on you. So, I'm just giving you an idea that you can do different design with your show. Ito. Yan. Yan yung example na yan. Just ko, Lord. Pasensya na, guys. Pasensya na sa kumakain at kung nanonood man kayo, huwag kayong maumay, please. This was given to me by my friend. Kasi masikip siya sa akin sa may itaas and I really need to do something about it. Yun, so ito yung ginawa ko. Sa sleeve naman, kasi sayang siyang itapon, what I did is detachable siya guys. Mga guwaps, pwede mo siyang without sleeve or it could be with sleeve. So may naka-attach naman na prime stud dyan. So pwede mo siyang i-connect. Kung ayaw mo ng sleeve, it's fine. It's up to you. Yun, so I just made my own design for this one. Ayun, ito na feature ko nito sa channel ko. You can check it out guys, how I made it. Pang workout top ko lang yung mga yan. Ito, nasa channel ko na din. As well as ito, nasa channel ko na din. As well as ito, slacks too guys. So, nagawan ko siya ng partner na kami top with high waist skirt. Okay to, galing to okay. Ayun, yung long sleeve ng partner ko, nandito, ginawa kong mini shirt ng anak ko. So, bumagay naman. Ito, try on ukay-ukay haul. Mahilig ako sa ukay-ukay haul, guys. Ito din yung latest to last year lang. Ginawa ko siya, isang blouse to. Blouse siya, guys, na ginawa ko lang. Ito, three different. So, yes, as I said, this is gonna be my DIY ReStyle Project 1. Isa sa laman ng channel ko is yung I'm giving you life to my old clothes. So, I'm encouraging women kasi alam naman natin, ang dami nating damit, diba? So, I'm just encouraging loads of women na you can check your closet. Check your closet if you if you think that you can do something out of it, then do something out of it. Diba? Huwag na lang natin silang basta ilagay na lang sa may tabi. You can donate that one if you want to. But kung mahilig ka sa DIY like me, then you can do something about your old clothes. For me kasi, I'm just giving you life to my old stuff. And hanggat maaari kung kaya pang i-restyle, i-revamp, maraming terms yan restyle, revamp, reconstruct, kung kaya pang i-transform, well, you can actually do that. Siguro, hindi lahat tayo pinalad na magkaroon ng ganito, na marunong sa makina or ganito, pero natututunan natin. Yan, okay? Sa mga teenagers, especially sa mga teenagers, um, alam ko humingi kayo or you're asking your parents, Mom, can you buy me this stuff and that stuff? Try to check your closet and think of things, kasi marami dito sa YouTube, di ba, na may mga tutorial naman. And it's one way also, practically speaking guys, mga gwaps, it's one way also that you can help your parents to save money, to save you buying new clothes, okay? Not necessarily naman we have to buy new clothes, this and that, para lang makisabay sa uso. Ako personally, hindi talaga ako masyadong sumasabay sa uso. Sa akin naman, parang magli-left behind ako konti. Pero I really don't know. Pero as long as I'm comfortable what I am wearing, I'm fine with that. So, hindi ako talaga makauso na tao. Though, nagsusot naman ako. And if yung uso ngayon, kaya natin gawin, why not coconut, diba? Why not just do that? Yung mga t-shirt nyo, pwede nyo gawin yan, i-restyle nyo. I'm encouraging you guys, teenagers, I know I really. And for those who would like to try this one, restyling guys, of your old clothes or your old stuff, if you happen to do this and you have your own channel on YouTube, please do tag me and I would really appreciate that guys, because I really want to see your work as well. And alright, so always remember that you should, whatever you do guys, you should love what you are doing, okay, as I do. I really love what I'm doing. That's why I have this project of mine sa channel ko po, DIY ReStyle Project. So I'll be showing you some of my work. So do yours as well, guys, mga gwaps. I'll be waiting for that. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel to see more of my work. Thank you again, and till next time. Bye!